Hi, I'm John Paul with Mototech. Today we're going to talk about the ALPHA MOTO rear trolley stand. We're going to be utilizing this on this nice 2017 Honda CBR 1000RR. But first we're going to talk about assembly. First thing you want to do is get all your parts and pieces organized and separated for either side. You are going to need a couple tools, number 5 Allen and number 13 socket. We've already assembled the right hand side. Now we're going to show you how to do the left hand side. The left hand side, you'll see that there's 2 pivot points. One slides in, push down, locks in place. You'll take your retaining pin and retaining clip, bevel side out. You will put the pin through. You will lock the pin in place, allowing this to pivot. Next, you'll take the upper arm. You'll get both sides. It may take a little bit of effort to get it down. Next, you'll take the bolts that have been included inside the kit. You'll slide them through. You'll take your washer and your nut. You'll place it on there. You'll take your Allen head. Hold it here. You'll take your socket and you'll tighten this down to hand tight. You'll do that 2 on each side. Once that is complete, you'll take your rear stand lifts, big side facing in. You'll put these through and you'll tighten these down to the predetermined width that your rear spools are on your bike. And that's all the assembly is required. When we finish assembly, now we're going to be lifting the rear of the CBR 1000RR. First thing you want to make sure is that your spool lifts are equal distance or set to the spools on the bike themselves. After that, we'll roll the bike on the rear lift in. You'll lift the head. You will steady the bike straight up and down. You will get the spools locked in place. You will push down, and that is all to it. These are the trolleys, so they do move forward and they do roll back, and the wheels do have locks which will lock them in place so the bike doesn't move.